Hey, this is a good news and bad news story. I think over the last few years, everybody's looked at property prices right across Ontario and thought, holy crap, is this ever going to stop? And I really think if you project over the next 10 years, because of the population growth happening in this area and the low interest rates that we have and the government continuing to spend money. So for example, there's $1.25 billion earmarked for the first-time homebuyer incentive program that is being released this fall, where the government is going to take a 5 to 10% equity stake, like an ownership stake in first-time homebuyers' houses, which then the first-time homebuyer has to pay back eventually. And if the property value goes up, they owe 5% of the new higher property price to the government. Or if the property price goes down, they owe 5% of the new lower price. The whole thing's a little bit ridiculous, but because of all of these policies and because of the massive population growth going on in here, property prices are, in our opinion, are only going to go up over time. There might be short-term periods where they go down, but longer term, like I'm talking 5-10-year chunks of time, they're only going up. So what we've done is we put this report together called the Ontario Population Report, the Untold Story, and we've collected a lot of the charts, some of our favorite information that we like to look at and analyze from different government websites. And you can get a copy of this thing at rockstarinnercircle.com/reports. We'll link to it somewhere here or in the description of this video that you can find it as well. But you can go to rockstarinnercircle.com/reports. And what we've also done in this report is we've taken the Go Transit's future expansion plans and discussed that in here as well, because we consider that some of that information almost like a treasure map on where real estate investors should focus some of their future purchases, because transportation, as the population increases here, is going to get more and more critical, and that's likely going to drive the property prices. If you're close to good highways and close to new GO train stops, it's really going to drive property prices over the years, we feel. So if you're expecting property prices to come down in this area, do not hold your breath. And if you really want to look at some of the trends coming our way over the next 10 years, you can grab this report, the Ontario Population Report that we've put together. Hopefully you find some of this stuff useful. We find it fascinating. That's why we talk about it all the time. Until next time, your life, your terms.